One of the biggest questions we get asked at BOXABL is how do you pay for one of our casitas? We have many different financing options, whether you want to pay all cash or explore different loan options. I want to introduce you to Meredith. Meredith is a financing expert who can help with all of your project needs. Take it away, Meredith.
BOXABL units are just like any other house. The cheapest way to finance them is through a loan secured by the real estate. In other words, a first or second mortgage. The good news is you don't have to refinance a low interest rate first mortgage. You don't even have to have equity. My team specializes in construction and renovation loans, which are built based on future appraised value. So whether you're building an ADU on a primary house or you're building from the ground up on an empty lot, we're happy to run through the numbers. If we do this right, we can figure out how big of a budget are you qualified for, and then we'll build to that budget. And that means we can finance 100% of the cost with no money out of pocket. Financing is one of the first things that you want to do to make sure that you're building to your budget and to a payment that you're comfortable with. So schedule a time with me or my team, and we'll get you all set up and moving forward on your project.
This has been seamless, fast, easy, super efficient. As a nurse, I like efficiency, I like speed. Things that need to get done, I want them done, and I want them done right. And BOXABL has proven that that is completely accurate.
Yeah, I've looked at all the different tiny homes to build, and this is the best program. Easy setup, it's already turnkey, ready to go. Even if you put it in your backyard, if that's possible, and start renting it out, you'll see an income coming in right away.
Financing doesn't always have to be overwhelming. It's all about picking the option that's best for your lifestyle and budget. Whether you're paying cash or exploring different loan options, we've got you covered. Feel free to reach out to us at sales@boxabl.com with any questions.